is Charley Mae, and today I'm going to be showing you how to drive this tractor. And if you're really lucky, maybe my dad will let us smash a car. This tractor is a Cat 325, and I don't like cats that much, but I do like caterpillars because they're funny and they turn into butterflies. Alright, let's drive this thing.
Do you need help?
First things first, put your seatbelt on. Then you got to get the key and start it up. But first you have to push the safety lever forward, but be careful after that because then it's ready to drive. This lever can make it go side to side or make the big arm go in or out. This lever makes the bucket open and close, and if you push it forward or backwards, it makes the big boom go up and down. And finally, you can make the tractor walk backwards and forward with these two levers right here. Normally, big people can put their feet on these, but I'm too small. Maybe let us have some fun and smash a car. But for real, Pa, can we smash a car?
Oh, I don't know. We better ask Mom. Mom? Can Char smash a car? She's not answering. You know what that means?
Yes.
Yep. That means we get to do it. I have to do now. I'm going to let my Pa finish it up. It's flat as a pancake. There's a bunch of glass. Were you afraid the glass was going to get you?
Yes.
But
I was saying right there. How could it get it?
Were you safe?
Yeah.
Was it fun?
Yes.
You like smashing cars?
Yes, I could fall in the door right now, but I don't want to get messy. Now you know how to ride an excavator. What do you guys think? Do you like smashing cars? Leave a comment down below and tell me what you want to drive next. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel.